During this week's episode of WWE SmackDown, a video package aired featuring Roman Reigns challenging Solo Sikoa to tribal combat for the Netflix premiere of WWE Raw on January 6, 2025. In the promo, Roman Reigns said that I lost the bloodline, the entire bloodline, but most importantly, I lost my Ulafala. I didn't take that Ulafala, I earned it. The only thing that matters to me is my family and my will of the Ulafala and the responsibility that only I can handle. Roman Reigns went on to say, January 6th is Netflix. That's what it's all about. For me, it's tribal combat. Tribal Chief versus Tribal Chief on January 6th on Netflix. I take back my bloodline. I take back my Ulafala. I take back my respect. And once I have that respect, the whole world will have no choice but to acknowledge me. The match is set to take place at a historic moment for WWE as they premiere on Netflix.